Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchapot, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaskar, my name is Nupur and I'm here to present the Mokshpat reading for the second week of September from the 8th to the 14th for a very important aspect of our life, which is our health. We will talk about 3 aspects, the physical, emotional and the mental body, that affects us greatly. For the physical body, the guidance that we received for this week is that things may show up, but you need to relax, you need to sit, you need to be calm and listen to your body. Do not overreact, do not overthink, but understand what your body is trying to say and take the necessary steps. Then you are definitely bound to improve and reach flying colors of good health in your life. For our emotional body, हो सकता है कि कई बार हमने कई सारी गलतियाँ की हैं या किसी ने हमारे साथ कुछ गलत किया है. सो दोज थिंग्स में शो अप सम काइंड ऑफ एरर्स. यू रियलाइज कि हाँ मैंने ये किया या उसने ये किया. बट इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट वंस यू बिकम अवेयर, वंस यू रियलाइज, यू ट्रांसेंड देम. You do not get stuck in them. You do not be like, ये हुआ है तो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. उसको बहुत बढ़ाना भी नहीं और उसको नलिफाई भी नहीं करना. What you need to do is that be calm about it, to understand कि कहाँ पे चेंजेस की ज़रूरत है. Where can I make amends? Don't get attached to the situation. Don't get attached to the people, to the hurt, to the thoughts that are coming to you. Instead, get beyond your limitations. And the Mokshpat board guides that once you do that, this transformation will lead to inner peace and inner power. We all know that our emotional body is very, very powerful and it affects both the mental and the physical body. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है amendments करना. It will show up in both the bodies. For your mental body, it is important that you do not take stress. And be careful of whatever you're consuming. बाहर में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, बहुत सारा न्यूज़ है. आप जो कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, जैसे खाना हमारा सात्विक होता है, उसी तरह से हमारे थॉट्स भी सात्विक होने चाहिए. What am I putting in my body? What am I putting? What am I thinking? You have to be aware. And with this awareness, you will definitely be able to be at great peace. That is the only way. Do not listen to the news. Do not listen what other people have to say. If it is disturbing you, do not consume it. Go for only positive things, because always remember that her obstacle is an opportunity for you to grow. Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaste, beautiful souls. How are you all doing? My name is Karishma and I'm going to talk on relationship for this week of September, that is from 8th to 14th of September. Relationship this week is all about nurturing. Whenever relationships are involved, we have to let go, forgive and forget. The main essence of any relationship is interactions and bonds between individuals. This is based on your feelings, understanding, trust, and how you resolve conflicts, respect for each other's thoughts, feelings, boundaries, and also creating memories. As all this will lead to strengthening your relationships. Relationships are to be nurtured just like a plant. The way you keep patience for the seed to grow, here you require the same patience for the other person and your bond to grow. The things that hinder or cause any problems in any relationship is over-expectation, criticism, judgments, selfishness, intolerance, and misunderstandings. This week, a word of caution: stay away from all of these hindrances. Rather, this week, focus on how to communicate your feelings in a better way. Accept people the way they are. Do not judge the book by its cover. Maybe today they are not at their best. Instead, hear them out. See in which way you can help them. In case there's a conflict, find the best possible solution and resolve it. Everybody is going through a lot in their lives, including you. But by being grounded and prioritizing your relationship, acknowledging the other person, and being loving will keep your relationship away from all the negative influences. This will in turn will help you and you will be appreciated for your unconditional love, and it will keep your relationship going. Thank you.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshapat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste Divine Souls at Alpha, Mokshapata expert in guide, here with you in the Punch Portal program for the period of 8th September to 14th September 2025, bringing guidance for your inner journey and soul connections. This is a beautiful and uplifting period for those walking the path of inner growth and awareness. Give time to your spiritual side. Even small efforts like prayer, chanting, or self-reflection can help your soul move forward with more light and clarity. This is a good time to reflect, meditate, or simply sit in silence. It will help you hear your inner voice and understand your direction more clearly. Try to focus on your third eye chakra. It supports deep inner wisdom and helps you connect with your higher self. You may feel a stronger pull towards your soul journey during this time, a deeper desire to understand who you are beyond the physical world. Be around people who are experienced in spiritual matters. Just being in their presence can help you learn and grow faster. Share your thoughts, energies, and experiences with others who are also on the same path. When we grow together, the journey becomes more joyful and full of support. This period is also about receiving messages from the universe. So stay open to signs, dreams, and inner feelings. Wishing you deep insight, peaceful moments, and steady steps towards your own soul journey. With love and light, have a great week ahead. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं उमी हूँ, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am a life coach, an energy therapist, and a divination expert. Today I am going to give you the guidance for your business and profession from September 8 to September 14 according to मोक्षपट बोर्ड. इस सप्ताह मोक्षपट बोर्ड आपसे ये कह रहा है कि जो व्यवसाय या रोजगार आपकी अभिरुचि को पूरी तरह से अभिव्यक्त करता है, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी को अच्छी तरह दर्शाता है और आप अपनी रुचि का पूरी तरह से प्रयोग कर पाते हैं, वो व्यवसाय आपको निश्चित ही सफलता दिला सकता है. साथ ही आपको अपने व्यवसाय या रोजगार में अपने साथ साथ और लोगों का भी ध्यान रखना है. जो भी टीम या स्टाफ आपके साथ काम कर रहा है, उनके साथ उदारता और न्याय सम्मत व्यवहार करें. संभावना है कि इस सप्ताह आपको कोई निवेशकर्ता या बिजनेस पार्टनर मिल जाए जो आपकी अभिरुचि के अनुसार व्यवसाय या रोजगार करने में आपको सहायता करे. पिछले अनुभवों से मिले लेसन्स को साथ लेकर और पास्ट ग्रजेस को पीछे छोड़कर नए सिरे से, नए तरीकों से, नवीन संरचना के साथ आप व्यवसाय या रोजगार करते हैं तो निश्चित ही आपका व्यवसाय या रोजगार आकाश की ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचेगा. जो भी लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स या सेल्फ डाउट आपको आगे बढ़ने से रोक रहे थे, उन सभी को पीछे हटाकर आप उन्नति के सर्वोच्च शिखर तक पहुंचे, इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. बाय.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance of the Mokshpata board every week. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the reading for the week of 8th September to 14th September 2025 in relation to finance. The reading comes on a chakra box of balance, which represents the heart chakra, which is the center of emotions and compassion. It guides us to practice mindfulness, to avoid taking impulsive financial decisions, and address emotional spending habits. A balance is needed so that we can create a budget which is aligned with our values and priorities, and even create an emergency fund to alleviate financial stress. The board cautions against poor money management and impulsive financial decisions driven by societal pressure. We should not be swayed by misleading advertisements and be fully aware of the impact of our financial decisions on our well-being. For that, we need to evaluate financial options carefully and seek advice from financial advisors who have full knowledge of economic trends and investments. The board guides us to approach financial decisions with integrity and awareness of their impact. We should strive for balance by aligning our actions with ethical principles. We should contribute positively to collective welfare through financial practices and foster abundance and prosperity through giving and receiving in equal measure. To sum it up, avoid unnecessary expenditure due to any emotional pressure and invest carefully with the guidance of a financial advisor. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
That is all for this week, and I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you, and see you all next week once again.